maybe it wouldn't be such a bad idea to try and find a new place, I feel like I spend a lot of my time just bumping into DJs. Maybe I'll stop by the grocery on the home and get another hey. Are you even paying attention to me right now?
Hey guys, thanks for tuning in, watching me make this painting I've been working on for the past couple days. A little bit about it, it's this portrait of a woman, and supposedly it was gonna have a guy right there, but I switched him out for a fruit. That's the name, titled Forbidden Orange. But yeah, I hope you guys learned some stuff. A few steps that I took was, right now I'm making the underpainting, which is just brown sienna and some cadmium red. And after the underpainting, I make an actual painting on top of it, and then I apply some thin glazes to add some light effects. But yeah, you'll get to see all that in this video. Let me know what you think in the comments, and just watch me mix this paint. Peace out, guys.